behalf of SRIT, I would like to thank all the above stakeholders. Now I would like to take a few minutes of your valuable time to present a brief report of SRIT as well as the rules and regulations to be observed during your stay in this campus. Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology is the dream of its founder, Sri Alur Sambasiva Reddy Garu, and it took its shape in 2008 with a modest intake of 240 with 4 UG courses. The institution is affiliated to Anantapuram. It has become one of the most sought after institutions by the engineering aspirants in EAMCET in a very short period, and the credit goes to the parents, students, staff, faculty, and above all the management. I would like to submit to the August gathering that we continue to strive for improvement and make this institute the best in the region in the years to come, and solicit your cooperation and support from all the stakeholders and also the regulatory authorities. SRIT offers 5 EG courses, namely BTech in ECE, CSE, EEE, Mechanical and Civil Engineering with a total intake of 600 students. The institution also offers PG courses in engineering, namely MTech in Computer Science Engineering, VLSI and Electrical Power Systems. We have enthusiastic, young, dynamic and dedicated faculty graduated from institutions of national repute like IITs and NITs. We also have few doctorates with expertise in advanced courses, and we are sure that the students would get adequate academic advantage to excel. For better exposure and to make the students employable, seminars, guest lectures, invited talks and workshops are conducted by inviting experts from premier institutes and industry. This year we have applied for permanent affiliation to JNTUA, and we are planning also for 12F and 2B from UGC and NBA accreditation from AICTE. The library is equipped with large number of volumes with different titles, number of national and international journals in multidisciplinary fields, and digital library. Thus, the library is more than adequate to cater the learning requirements of our students and update their knowledge. We also have a book bank system wherein a student can avail textbooks of all subjects all through the 4 years with a nominal payment. The institution has computing facilities with required software packages to give online practices for improving their computerized skills. Internet facilities are provided in each department and hostels to provide better access in addition to central facility. All the laboratories, as you have witnessed, have been equipped with state-of-the-art technology. I am glad to inform you that our college is selected as a center for conducting online entrance examinations of reputed deemed universities like SRM, GATE, Medicine, UG, B category, bank recruitment test, TCS and TCS online examinations. An exclusive training and placement cell has been set up to train the students for both on-campus and off-campus placements. It liaisons with industry and brings as many companies as possible, increasing the opportunities for placements and arranging training classes in a strategic manner by inviting experts from outside to impart desired skills, boosting the confidence and chances of selection of the students. As part of this Career Nirdesha, a team comprising of trainers with expertise in various areas like aptitude, reasoning and communication skills conducts in-house training regularly from 3rd year onwards. Online and offline mock tests are conducted to provide opportunity to correct and improve on a continual basis, and by the end of the final year, we assure that our students are fully prepared to face any kind of competition. We have MOUs with AMTAC, CoCubes, JKC, Pharmac and talent sprint. I am happy to say that 98 students of our final year students in the academic year 2014-15 are placed in MNCs, and actually we had the target of 100 placement. Of course, we have reached almost 98 placements, and the details of all these placements are available in our college website. Just to mention a few, the Tech Mahindra selected 29 students, TCS 7 students, Capgemini 3, Westline 7, OpenText 3, Emphasis 2. Almost all of them have got offer letters and also joined in various companies. Our plan for this current academic year is to place at least 150 students in the reputed MNCs by the end of the 4th year. The most important news for the freshers is that the campus is 100% ragging free. Severe action would be taken against any student who indulge in ragging. Mobile phones are strictly prohibited on the campus. Parents are advised not to instruct their wards not to use cell phones in the college, or else their mobiles will be confiscated and will not be returned. Students are instructed to maintain counseling system wherein all the students are provided counselors, and these counselors will be in contact with the parents regarding the performance, behavior, about all the attitude of every student. He will be in contact. My sincere request to all the parents here is, be in touch with your student through the counselor, and also if possible visit the college, contact the counselor, HOD or principal, anybody, to monitor, to know what about your student progress or status in the campus. And to expose the students to social engineering, NSS activities are conducted regularly so as to inculcate service motto, to ease out academic stress and also to improve physical fitness. Sports and game facilities are also provided and all the students are advised to make use of these facilities. We have also various professional bodies like Computer Society of India, IEEE Student Chapter, Institution of Engineers and ISTE, which will help our students for their overall development. We encourage our students to present papers in national and international conferences. On the academic front, toppers from each branch will be rewarded with a laptop every year, apart from medals and certificates. Poor and meritorious students are also given encouragement in the form of several concessions by the management. We have e-governance campus. Our campus is the e-governance campus. That is, we have created emails for all the students and staff, and the communication process has become very easy and effective because of this e-governance campus. And we have been awarded second E-based governing campus by Engineering Watch of India. Students and prior permission valid for. The college has a strong fleet of 30 buses for better and comfortable transportation from Anantapuram, Dharmavaram, Kamidi and Tadipatri towns. My honest and sincere suggestion to all the parents is not to allow your own children. Finally, I request all the parents to cooperate with the college administration in the smooth running of the college and solicit your support in all matters in developing this institution. Finally, my dear students, have a patient listening. Thank you, sir.